Ladies and gentlemen, it is Wednesday, and that truck right there is delivering the all-new Chief Steamer. We ordered the industrial steamer for our location, and I will keep everyone posted on how awesome it is and the pricing and if it's worth buying, because I believe this is going to simplify our car cleaning experiences and eliminate smoke smell from vehicles like that, because guests love to smoke weed in these cars. All right guys, step 2. We just filled up the steamer after reading briefly over half of the directions. So we're gonna see if this actually works. It says 8 to 10 minutes, and it's supposed to get it nice and hot. And those are all the attachments that came with it. Put her to the test in this little car, maybe. Here we are, first test. It gets the brake dust off.